Hey friends, welcome back. So we're going to round 2. I have my seeds here, but actually I think I'm gonna keep my seeds up here. It's a little chillier out than I thought. It was so warm when I was lifting all that. I'm thinking about going and grabbing a sweatshirt. I may do that actually. I think I'm going to. It's kind of cold. I didn't think it was this cold out. But I'm gonna go grab a sweatshirt and then I'm gonna go, I got my scissors and I'm gonna go do the fabric cloth, and then I'm gonna go put some herbs in over in the herb garden, some seeds. So yeah, trying to get some seeds in before it rains. So we will be back. This is not following me there. We'll be back. Here's the first time I went to put the fabric cloth down over where my flower garden is. Hi everybody. So welcome back. The wind took over and wreaked havoc again. Look at this. As you saw, I stapled this down, but look at what happened. It blew it all up. So now I got more staples. More staples to redo all of that. And same over here. Same thing happened again. It all blew up after all of that. So it just kind of fell apart. I'm gonna go open the gate because Marty and Ashley are coming over to get this water tank done. Correct the collecting rain barrel. So we're gonna get that finished up. And so we're gonna get some garden work done today. All right, see you in a bit. All right, let's take 3 on this and see how this works. We'll put some holes in there and try some seeds. It's still super windy though. Okay friends, so here is what I have going over here. So yesterday I put these burn holes in using my butane torch here that I just got on Amazon. It's just a kitchen torch. I can link it below if you're interested. And so what I did was I just burned these little holes. And like up here I planted some sunflower seeds. And I'm thinking that maybe the holes might be a little bit too small. So what I wanted to do, I did some sunflower seeds. I did some poppies here. So I think I wanted to just make the holes a little bit bigger so that they could grow through without getting to the seeds. And so I'm gonna go through all of the ones that I haven't planted and burn the holes just a little bit bigger. And I had to come out with just a little ruler and measured about 6 inches apart. It was so windy yesterday. So yeah, so this looks a little bit better where I'm just gonna, because I want the sun to be able to get to the seeds since I'm direct sowing seeds. And when I came out here yesterday, I was like, I don't know if the sun is gonna be able to get to these seeds. So when I went and watched a YouTube video, it looked like their holes, they direct seeded and their holes were just a little bit bigger. So I think I'm gonna do right about like that. And then I'm gonna put my flower seeds in. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my little tool here and just loosen up the soil. Loosen it up just so I can put the seeds in. I'm gonna put my gloves on first, and then I'm gonna put the seeds in and cover them with a little bit of dirt. So I will let you watch me do that here. again. So I got all of my seeds in. Let me show you what I got. Now remember, I don't profess to be the best gardener, but I thought let's try it out. Let's see. So in this first row back here, I put some sun catcher sunflowers. Then in this next row, I put some columbine. And then this next one, I got some seeds at the Dollar Tree from some anemone. I thought I'll try some anemone and see how they do. I soaked them first and then put them, oops, this camera's not cooperating. So I put the anemone there. And then I did some painted daisies. So we'll try that. And then some Astonbull whatever how you say that. Some Astonbull. So you flower people will know what I'm talking about. And then I did some calendula. And then over just here I did four little rows by the garage here. I just did 4 little rows of foxglove because I had those. And then I did 2 rows of zinnias. Oh, I did 1 row of calendula, 2 rows of zinnias. Then I did 1 of, what did I do? I had 2 more rows to do. So I did the last row. I know I did forget-me-nots. And the one before that, I did, let me look. Sweet peas. Oh yeah. Yeah, the one. So I did sweet peas and forget-me-nots at the very last 2 here. So that is what I planted. So I've never really tried to grow, so it's just a small little flower plot here. We'll see how that goes. Check it out. See if we can get some flowers to go for inside the house. All right, everybody. So that is it. It's a beautiful day. I'm gonna go in. I work tomorrow, so I'm gonna go in and just get a few things done in the house. And maybe do a little editing. But yeah, it's just a nice morning to be outside. So that's what I got done today. All right, everyone, be blessed. Remember you're loved. And have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Just in time for the rain to come. Have any of you ever had your own flower garden? Let me know what your secrets are in the comments below. And please give me a like and share. Remember you're loved. Be blessed. Have a great night. Bye.